Hey guys, this is Callie from Weightless Entertainment, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick juggling tutorial. Got a lot of votes for that on Facebook and Instagram. So we're gonna start with things that you already have in your house, probably. You can grab 3 pair of socks that are about the same weight or as close as you can get it, or if you have tangerines or small oranges, something like that, that'll also work. Tennis balls are a little tricky, they bounce a lot and are kind of hard to hang on to, but if you wanna work with those, you absolutely can. You're gonna start out with 1 pair of socks or one of the objects you've got. And I want you to practice keeping your shoulders down. You don't want them to wiggle and to move a lot. And you don't want your hands to wildly flail, especially up. You don't want to be juggling above your head. That makes everything a little trickier. What we want to do is we're gonna throw our object up, and when it hits the highest point, its peak, you're gonna let it come down, and you're gonna try not to move that other hand. So you just want them here. I keep that right above my head height. I try to keep it at the exact same height as I go. Like that. When you feel really confident and you've done some starting with both hands and you've practiced switching directions, switching sides, and you feel like you're ready to move on, you can do this controlled without letting it get way out in front of you or way above you. You're gonna grab your second one. What you're gonna do from here is when the first one reaches its peak, you're gonna throw your second one. You don't have to rush, definitely not a race. You wanna have complete control. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I like to count to myself when I'm practicing new patterns. It really helps me understand exactly when I'm supposed to be throwing and catching. Once you've got that really under control, I want you to try it on your non-dominant side. So start throwing with your left hand if you're right-handed, and vice versa. There you go. You've seen enough of that. I'll slow it down for you in the video. Once you've really got that under control, if you really feel like this is something you want to learn and you want to make your own juggling balls, it's pretty easy to do. You can get sandwich bags, the kind without zippers, and fill them with rice. If you're making them for kids, you want to make them a little bit smaller. You need less rice than you think you do. You're going to cut off the tip of a balloon, and you're going to cover that baggie with a balloon. Then you're going to do the same thing with the hole facing the other side so that it's really good and locked in there. And then you've got these that are a really nice weight for juggling. Once you've practiced this a lot, I'm going to give you another tutorial on 3, but I really want you to focus on getting this 2 pattern down and really controlled with good form. So when we start on 3, you're really ready for it, and it doesn't take as long to get. It's really good to practice 10 to 20 minutes in the morning, and again 10 to 20 minutes at night. That's really the best way for your brain to digest everything, and a lot of jugglers that are way better than me have said this, so I think it's a pretty good tip to follow. If you're juggling with something that's not socks or something that you don't want to drop all over the floor or spend your whole practice time chasing, it's really nice to practice in front of your bed or in front of a couch so that if you do drop it, it's not rolling out of your control. All right, well, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy learning to juggle. Can't wait to share more with you guys later this week.